Oh, shoot. But it smell like one bush that me drink already, man.
Yeah, man.
World's biggest pig in that. Yo. The biggest pig is that road, don't you? But. Alright, so I'm up on the road I go and walk. Decide to make a sleep down at the house. So me normally used to chill like when I up in the summertime when my friend them used to like bungle up, you see me. So I say I'm gonna link my father before. Cause me I plan to go river in the morning for sure, like a river up here, you see me, where river really look like in the country. And I decided I'm gonna need some clothes because I don't want to go back up on the hill in the morning and way up I have to go. You see it. So I try to prepare myself and chew more on the road a little bit in the night. I just carry down some of my stuff them that I can do, you know, closer to the road. Because when I'm up here, I try to link up as much people as I can, because when I cut, normally I circle back till a long time. So I make sure them see me and know some good, and you don't know, you know, in a certain places in life, you know, people say, yeah, you're not link me in the water when you come in and link me, so I just try to show my face as much as possible, you know. Place I get dark, you know that the season there's like after 6 come night, you see me, and whole heap of mosquitoes come out, but place nice and colourful, man. Love Smith me the same way, you know. Boy, people, when they back from the ends house, see that they cook food. You don't know what got to the chef thing.
That's cool, man.
We can't bring you as the chef, you know. You know, got the from the ends house. So we are cook tonight.
Chef, you bring me as man.
I'm a chef, as.
Yeah, man.
Can't go bother with no artist. People you don't know food thing. And over here, so I have some of the most memorable and fun moments of my life, people. I'm not going to tell you no lie. Over here, so whole heap of night, we up this a chat. We not do nothing but the vibes was there. Back when everybody did more together still, man, not lie. You see me, over here, so was the real end. Thing change still, but you don't know, we don't have to change, it's not just that, you know? We grew up, yeah, man, but over here, so was the ends. When they talk a joke with God, even though we don't want to say who say it, but one time people are cussing and say, you see them are heads.
A heads group.
A heads group. Because we just used to make a bag of nice. One time storm a blow up, and the whole storm, like about 3 days, a pure nice over here. People start sending complaint to my mother not live at Smithville. You see me, a whole heap of things, people. A whole heap of things. And I tell you, so them time in house, a beer man then house.
Beer man.
Beer man then house at chill out. We just there. We just now do not, we just have whole vibes, and we have a big crew. Cook and eat food. Go up on the road. I remember one time we used to go to Sabama and buy a pure phone car, guess what? Every man have their catty a chat up our free nights. And if a man catty drop asleep too early, I want to chat to the next man catty, you see? I know things used to go on. In time it was so nice, man, but you know what's the thing of people? Things change and you know time and upgrade, but we're still there. Enough time, it's just good say you can't remember certain stuff. You see me, you don't forget where you're coming from, people. So we're there, got there cook, you see me. Most time I even cook still. But we're there go and chat and I go and make some plans, you see me.
Our tacky blacks name.
Man, our tacky blacks name time, man. You don't know them man, they cook sweet like woman. You see me. But we're there still. We're there go and chill. So tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to see if we can go river. And then I know why I go come after that, and then after that I probably cut. So I go see what is what. Is it? So we're there.
No, we're drinking. What?
Oh, you will trust that.
Like so.
You know you spoil my tree.
Morning, people. As you can see, you know, so the first thing for the day, lime leaf tea in the country. Straight lime leaf tea in the country. You got to hear the one?
Yeah, man.
I mean, man, lime leaf tea if you start your morning, you can't go bad. Too much Milo. Yeah. So, you know, so I'm going to start a project over me to build in the next room. So, you know, say, the next room there, you can get the key for you. You see me?
You hear that vlog, right?
So, you so live with me, you know.
What is
that? Live with me.
I'm not telling me what to go on in, man. I want to marry.
You say you don't work with me.
Eh?
You don't work with me?
Yeah, me work with them too.
Oh, you want to vlog with it? I want to tell them what to go on. We have some tea in the morning before we go up on the road, you know? Show them a little background. Show them a little background, you know? Out in the yard, you know? Alright, so people, we are shop. We are about to buy some food before we go river because we can't go down there so hungry. And we're not cooking in the morning. Yo, normally, when I tell my father, say, I go river here, daddy. Be careful, you know? So we are going to be careful and tell you to be careful.
Yeah, something there, coconut bread. I'll give you one like coconut bread.
Never know we eat that too. Alright, so that I go on in the morning, get some food before we go down there. I kind of like how your beard look now, but I go trim it off, see me. What do you think? I'll trim it down a little bit. Once them I go to school. Yeah man, me are ready to go away. Yeah. But I want you give me some insight on some things. Best bush for cool.
Jack in the bush.
Jack in the bush alone you can't take, but we can't find Jack in the bush.
Jack in the bush is always the best. Jack in the bush.
What about flu?
Flu, no, the same Jack cold can't say flu, you know. Jack in the bush with the leaf of life.
Leaf of life.
Yeah.
So I them they alone help for cold and flu though?
I'm on the cold, I don't take out the cold, man. More, man, what you call it, what name them, man? God bush.
God bush. Alright, so what about what you have no bush where like clean up in your system different from the cold one?
Cersei.
Cersei is the best one. Look like that one there.
Cersei.
Cersei. Only part thing that.
Because even one bush, I'm sure one bush. See that? This. Do what? See that?
This is the bush? It's about this kind of normal black in them.
Smell it?
Oh shoot. But it smell like one bush that me drink already, man.
Yeah man.
This smell like one bush that me drink one time for cold.
Cold, yeah man, then a cold bush too. And it clean you up for
Yeah. I'm telling you when me drink it. I think me up and me have cold and me drink and instant.
Yeah man. One other one there too, you know.
And me always think I do some blacking.
No man.
Blacking grass. No
man. I want to go to but I dry it. If it dry, if really
to use.
That's why I don't use the burner around another place.
Oh, because bush did it?
Yeah, I mean I want the burner down in the bush them where to use the medicine. Up to the other day, brother type, people them come carry. And I write just so them come draw the bush, come take up some height, you know?
Eh?
Yeah man, I'm carrying off foreign.
That means say very useful then, because I carry for to go overseas.
Even the one day, where we have this up, for the prostate.
Wow, we have bush for prostate?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, say to me. We never know that.
And I bush, the turmeric.
Turmeric.
Where you them are hold up and up. I dig them and dig out the whole of me down this up.
Eh?
This is a hara root. Them are hara root for picking it. Bone, trunk, bone and teeth.
Hara root, this
Yes.
all this time I think it's just a flowers now black in.
Trunk, bone and teeth. See that, the turmeric here. I hit it for mash it. See that, right? See that. See turmeric here. Yeah, it is meat.
Yeah, I see me starting a meat already.
Yeah, me cooking. Me use it because I hit them, me take my curry, you know.
Oh, yes, true.
Curry.
True.
Yeah, me say, and I best. And when them give you curry, it have preservative. When you use it, so.
Original that
then dig out the whole of me down so. And cocky them can dig out it. Carry bag of sell it.
Oh, God, them know you use it.
Yeah, I don't know they don't know you. So I sell them, I sell people.
So if people don't use it and then go source it.
One and this part is right. Can't tell if you tell Deandre say make fritters with it.
What for we planting?
What other plant? A banana.
Banana this
Yeah man, you still have to cut it
Flako.
And crush it up in a basin.
Flako banana.
Throw some flour
Crab
on
banana
it.
then.
Tip a little. One
And
little tip
flako.
of baking powder upon it.
Mm.
And make fritters.
Yeah,
And
sir.
chicken blend it.
Mm.
Blend it.
I make porridge.
Want make porridge?
Yeah, either you make porridge. No, you can use the green one make porridge. Or you blend that and juice. Same
Oh,
you
make
drink the
juice.
same
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah. You can make juice.
Blend it.
Like how we do with
Yeah.
the plant.
Oh, yes.
It's a lasco in there. A little oats. You know?
And I want strong little juice to go and
Yeah.
drink.
And if you feel if you touch a little stout in there, you touch it.
Yeah, little dragon.
You understand?
That's true.
Yeah, man. Me a look. I say, I weed. You me say, me want to weed it up and I weed it up.
Mm-hmm.
You see the cold bush, I want serious cold bush that day.
I mean, know that one them and me drink it when me up.
That one. So you come from America and when he come here, come dry.
So all the bush just looks like some like a normal
Yeah.
weed, so.
Yeah.
What is the name?
Me no remember where name, brother, till you got through. Even that me no remember where name.
Mm-hmm. Now it smell over the one that's strong though.
Strong, that one there.
The one there that's
When you
so
rub
strong.
up this, you know. See when you rub up this, you actually like it on yourself. But you see that there? That there, I mean when you rub up cold, the people, alright, you see this?
Yeah, man.
This is one cold bush tree, you know. This.
Yeah.
But anytime the moon, me I go take it out because I will plant it out. Anytime you see the moon full, you can't use.
Mm-hmm.
Time the moon come up, can't use. But this one, people come from foreign man and
Spirit weeds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Mr. Man. Even the dead are awake, you know, a good medicine, you know.
Oh, what? Is she my lady?
Yeah, man.
And you see that?
What she my lady can use to do?
You can't do all
Good
passing.
thing, man.
You can't do abortion.
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, say.
Impregnated and
She my lady make
Yeah.
medicine.
yeah, man.
Do what
The
this?
whole part of them bush the butter. Yeah, all up the sun go out them and see the amount of medicine. So,
Mm-hmm. I never know. Why? And then what do? She's ready now.
Entire already, man.
But because back them down the road already, so I don't have to carry no weight for go down the road. So people may get ready for cut. Me actually ready. Just go carry down my bag and just get on a thing, reach a me pen, reach over. You know?
I don't know.